invite the alleged wife of Colonel Villela. And any second? Second motion. Duly seconded.
Colonel Villela, huwag kang pangiti-ngiti dyan, ha?
Hearing no objection, the motion is approved. Let me remind you,
Mr.
Colonel
Chair.
Villela, you wipe off that smirk on your face. Otherwise,
Mr. Chair.
really, this is the first time we encountered an arrogant official of the PNP like you.
Sinasabi ko na sa'yo. Sorry, Your Honor.
Mr. Chair, I just want to find out who is the alleged wife of Colonel Playboy. Colonel
Villela-
Playboy, who is your alleged wife?
Isa lang po ang wife ko, Your
Hindi
Honor.
ba-
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Hindi siya asawa mo? Sino asawa mo?
Si Marilu Villela po, Your Honor.